Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 2 over number 2 with the square root of s. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Next, because we don't have number 2, so I will put number 2 go to the left. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 gone here, and we have u equals to number 3, because the square root of number 1 plus number 2, we have number 3. When s equals to number 4 in here, so we put number 4 gone here, and we have u equals to number 4. Number 1 we change by number 3. Number 4 we keep the same. This one we change by u. The s over the square root of s we change by 2 du. So the integration of this one, we have number 2 ln of the absolute value of u. And we put the bounds from number 3 to number 4. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.